Hello everyone, I'm Rafli from BMKG. I will speak about my research, determination of extreme rainfall threshold using Generalis Pareto distribution in Lampung province. Let's see.
This is my poster. Let's start with introduction. There are several points that become the reason for conducting this research. First, extreme rain has caused a lot of losses and can cause other disasters such as landslide and flash floods. Second, although it is very dangerous, extreme rain itself doesn't have a clear definition. Because of that, WMO decided to standardize extreme event, especially extreme rain. Third, the different climate from one place to another, causing the definition of extreme event and threshold to be different in each location, so that the determination of extreme rainfall with absolute values is irrelevant. And using percentile can cause bias. So, in this research, before using percentile to calculate threshold of extreme rain, statistical distribution is used to fit distribution of daily rainfall intensity. Next method. To determine the best distribution for daily rainfall intensity in Lampung, daily rainfall intensity data is used for 10 years, from 2009 until 2018. Rainfall data is divided into 4 different seasons to prove the best fit distribution for all seasons and conditions. Rainfall post data from each district in Lampung that been used in this study is shown in figure here. The probability density function of Generalis Pareto distribution is shown in equation here. And cumulative distribution function of Generalis Pareto distribution is shown in equation here. Result: frequency of daily rainfall intensity data in Lampung shown in figure here. Based on that figure, daily rainfall intensity data is highly positive skew. It strengthens the reason for using extreme value distribution such as Generalis Pareto, Generalis extreme value, and Weibull. The graphs show that this distribution fit the data, but Generalis Pareto and Generalis extreme value distribution is the closest distribution to cumulative distribution function of daily rainfall intensity data. To prove which one is the best, goodness of fit test is carried out using Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Anderson-Darling test. The results shown in the table below that Generalis Pareto distribution is the best distribution because it has the lowest test statistic value. To determine threshold of extreme daily rainfall intensity in Lampung, cumulative distribution function from Generalis Pareto distribution is used, and there are a result for percentile 95 and percentile 99. Based on this figure, for a percentile 95, the intensity of extreme rainfall is above 30 mm, with the highest threshold in Metro and Mesuji that more than 70 mm. For this figure, that percentile 99, the intensity of extreme rainfall is above 50 mm, with the highest extreme rainfall intensity occurring on the west coast of Lampung and Metro that is more than 125 mm. Last but not least, conclusion. In this paper, it is shown that the intensity of daily rainfall data is highly positive skew, and Generalis Pareto distribution is the best fit distribution to describe daily rainfall intensity data. The result of determining the threshold for extreme rainfall with 95 percentile from the lowest is West Lampung 38 mm to the highest is Metro with 72 mm. Determining of the threshold value for extreme rain with 99 percentile from the lowest in West Lampung 52 mm to the highest in Metro 132 mm.
That's all for my poster presentation. If there is any question, feel free to send me an email. I will gladly answer your question. Thank you and bye.